Hello everybody, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Whenever it comes to oats, most people try to stay away from it. Today I will share with you a nutritious, colorful breakfast recipe using oats, and I guarantee if you make this for your family, they won't even understand that you used oats. So let's make vegetable oats pancake. For this recipe you need 3/4 cup of rolled quick oats, 1/4 of a cup of plain flour. I have used an assortment of colorful veggies over here like carrot, red and orange bell pepper and an onion. You can use any vegetable of your choice, like you can use spinach or zucchini. I chopped up all these vegetables finely and took 1.5 cups of mixed vegetable. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and 1 green chili. You can leave out the green chili if you do not want your pancake to be spicy. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. If you do not have yogurt in hand, then you can easily replace it with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally 3 to 4 tablespoons of any oil. Here I have used olive oil. First, grind the oats to a powdery texture in your grinder. You can do all this preparation the night before and the next day just mix everything. Now in a bowl, add the oats flour, then add the plain flour. Here you can make many variations. If you want to make it gluten free, then you can leave out the plain flour and use only rice flour, or you can replace the plain flour with whole wheat flour. Add the baking powder, then with a whisk, mix all the dry ingredients very well to get rid of any lumps. Next, add the yogurt. If you do not have yogurt in hand, then you can easily use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice instead. Add the vegetables, then add the cilantro and chopped green chilies. If you do not want your pancake to be spicy, then you can leave out the green chilies. Finally, add salt and start mixing everything. Add water little at a time. Mix, and if required, add little more water. Here I have used 3/4 of a cup of water. The batter shouldn't be too thick, nor shouldn't it be too thin. Should be of dropping consistency, just like this. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil in a flat non-stick pan. Always remember to use a flat non-stick pan for this recipe. Spread the oil, and when the oil is nearly smoking, reduce the heat to medium and add the oat mix. Spread the batter gently with your spoon by just dabbing your spoon along the edges. And please be very gentle here. Let it fry on medium heat for a few minutes. After about 2 minutes, shake your pan, and if you see that your pancake is still sticking to the pan, then give it a few more minutes. And after that, can you see the difference? Now when you are shaking the pan, the pancake also moves. Now it's time to flip. Take a flat spatula and flip it. See how brown and crusty this side has become? That is the color you are looking for. Next, add about another tablespoon of oil around the edges. Press it with your spatula and leave it on medium heat for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it. I think it needs more browning on this side, so I flipped that side again and left it for 2 more minutes. Finally, when you turn, there should be fair amount of browning on that side. See, the edges have turned brown, and this is what you are looking for. Giving it a final turn, it's time to plate out. Slide out the pancake onto a plate. You can also make small pancakes if you are making it for kids. Follow the same process, but add only 1 spoonful of batter, and you do not have to spread much. Serve this with tomato ketchup, or you can have it as it is. It is very crispy if you serve it immediately, but you can even pack these in lunch boxes. It tastes delicious even at room temperature. So try this healthy recipe. Hope you will like it. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing it by clicking on the subscribe button below. It's totally free. And give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Leave your comments. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.